What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. Today we're going to do a walk around of the Lexus RC300 that I just wrapped in Hexis Pearl White Gloss. This film is a bit interesting to use, requires a bit more care and attention when installing. I wouldn't say for amateur or beginner, but a little bit more advanced, a little bit more for a seasoned installer. Color looks amazing. I'm not sure if you're able to see all of it in camera right now. We did do a couple of other things to this car. So this car did start off as white. It's more of like a metallic white, just a paper metallic white from Lexus. It's a nice color, just a little bit boring. This is a little bit more interesting. As you can see, it has a bit of a pink shimmer to it. I actually can't wait to see it outside. But we did a full wrap on this. Headlights are wrapped in the Vvivid's new holographic hexagon tint. They look amazing, actually. They're pretty outrageous. And I just did the brake calipers as well with a little decal on there that says F-Sport. Just on the face of the caliper, a little red accent, just to give it a little bit of flavor, a little bit of pop from the rest of the car. The back ones aren't good for it. They're pretty basic and generic brakes, as you can probably see in the video. Very basic stuff. Guys, if you're looking for installations of this car, the videos are going to be on my website, ckwraps.com. I'm putting a link in the top corner and into the description below for you. Lots of detailed videos. We got M4, Q50, this car. I got an STI coming up. I got a Range Rover SVR. I mean, we've got a Lexus IS350 with full chrome wrap, door jams and everything going up. I got my Jeep on there. It's all going up. Tons of stuff, guys. Check it out. Again, link in the top corner and in the description below. Now, let's do a little tour of the vehicle. Again, I'll have 4K footage up this time, I promise you guys. And let's have a look at it. All right, you can really start to see the pink hue, the pearl, I guess. I mean, the pearl is kind of like the color, the shade of the white, I find. It's not really the pink. The pink part is more of like a flake, I guess, but you can see it's actually just a pearl in the film itself. So it's not really a flake. It doesn't show as a flake. It's more of a pigment. It looks amazing. Door handles, all nicely done. Even though it's a white car, yeah, I still wrap into the door jamb. You know, I still go in there a decent amount just to make sure it's covered from the exterior. Rear bumper, that was a fun one. Trunk was a fun one. Trunk was a really fun one. And you can see it all there. Looks awesome. It doesn't show so much on this side. There's not so much light. But just to have a look at it anyways, regardless. Mirrors are not too difficult. They're only partial. And then let's check out that tint. It's not even tint, it's pretty wild stuff. That is cool as hell, I gotta say. I love this stuff. Check them out. Just like a laser beam through the light. Beautiful. Looks amazing. I would like to see a whole car done in that stuff, actually. That'd be pretty cool. Maybe I'll just do it for the fun of it. Kind of give you a bit more of a far away perspective. Again, it's not over the top as far as the color goes, or the pearl, the pigment. It just adds a nice little effect to the wrap. I dig it. It's really nice. The customer's gonna be here shortly. I'm excited to give them the car, see what they think. I'm gonna get it outside. I'm gonna put some pictures of it outside on my Instagram. I haven't seen it outside yet, and I just gotta give it a little bit of a wipe down before they get here. I'll get video and footage of what it looks like on Instagram. So CK Wraps, just at CK Wraps on Instagram. Again, how to wrap this particular car, even take it apart, door handles, mirror, door panel, window trim here, tail lights, whatever. I basically showed how to remove it all. I also show how to wrap the roof, working around the shark fin antenna and the sunroof. The sunroof special, the sunroof pops up and out. So that's an interesting wrap because I worked around the shark fin antenna and I also worked around the sunroof because it pops up and out. I'll show you how to do that really nicely on the website. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. I'm looking forward to doing more videos for you. Take care.